A special note before I begin sharing this exclusive chapter. The book features several critical diagrams that cannot be included on this platform. I strongly encourage you to get the book Goalie IQ, Hockey Intelligence for Goaltenders. If you have any questions, I am happy to answer and help you establish consistency within your game. This is one of the most advanced programs that builds a simplistic and common sense approach to consistency, the crown jewel every National Hockey League organization wants and needs right now. Chapter 8, The Playbook for Consistency, Simplifying Positional and Tactical Excellence in Goaltending. The introduction of game plan templates provides a vital starting point, offering a customizable foundation for each goaltender to develop their unique tactical playbook. This chapter delves into the intricacies of these templates, elucidating how they can be expertly tailored to individual styles and needs, thereby setting each goaltender on a path to unparalleled positional and tactical mastery. Personalized game plan development, zonal mastery. Begin by dissecting the ice into distinct zones, each with its tactical significance. Understanding the dynamics of these zones is crucial for optimal positioning and game control. Positional drills. Implement drills/methods designed to enhance spatial awareness and positional intelligence. These drills should focus on reacting to different play scenarios, optimizing angles, and controlling the space effectively. Game scenario analysis. Regularly review game footage to analyze play patterns in different zones, enabling anticipatory positioning and informed strategic decision-making. Refine save responses. Reactive training. Develop a series of drills to enhance reflexes and muscle memory for various save techniques, ensuring quick and accurate responses under pressure. This practice turns decisions into pure instinct. Mental readiness. Focus on cognitive training, including visualization techniques to anticipate play developments and opponent strategies, thus sharpening reaction times and decision-making skills. Continuous scenario adaptation. Engage in dynamic training sessions that simulate real game scenarios, adjusting difficulty and complexity to continuously challenge and refine your save responses. Movement timing mechanisms. Precision in transition. Emphasize the timing of transitions between stances to ensure fluid and efficient movements that conserve energy and maximize response time. Agility enhancement. Incorporate agility-focused training, such as ladder drills and plyometrics, to improve lateral movements and quick directional changes within the crease. Syncing movement with play. Develop an acute sense of timing in relation to the unfolding play, enabling strategic positioning and movement to counter offensive threats effectively. Collaborative planning with defensive coach. Tactical synchronization. Engage in regular strategy sessions with the defensive coach to ensure your game plan seamlessly integrates with the team's defensive tactics. Defensive pattern drills. Participate in joint drills with defensive players to develop cohesive strategies, focusing on communication, positioning, and coordinated responses to offensive plays. Feedback and adjustment. Regularly review performance with the defensive coach to identify areas for improvement, adjusting tactics as needed for optimal team synergy. Efficient depth and movement management. Depth dynamics. Master controlling your depth in the crease, adapting to different play scenarios to optimize your positioning for save opportunities. Economic movement. Focus on developing techniques that enhance your ability to move swiftly, yet efficiently, reducing unnecessary movements to conserve energy and maintain focus. Positional flexibility. Train to adapt your positioning dynamically to the game's flow, maintaining balance and readiness for quick directional changes. Relentless practice regimen. Endurance and stamina. Training. Implement a comprehensive fitness program focused on building endurance and physical resilience, essential for enduring the rigors of a complete game. Skill and technique. Refinement. Dedicate significant time to refining fundamental goaltending skills, such as glove work, pad saves, and puck handling, ensuring a well-rounded skill set. Progressive challenge implementation. Regularly increase the complexity and intensity of training drills to push your boundaries and continually promote growth and adaptation. Defining your field of play. Tactical positional analysis. Study and understand common offensive strategies, identifying how your positioning and movements can disrupt and counter these tactics. Customize strategy formulation. Use the game plan template as a base to develop a tailored strategy that leverages your strengths and addresses your weaknesses, aligning with the coach's overarching vision. Ongoing tactical evolution. Continuously evolve your game plan based on performance reviews, feedback, and changes in play style, ensuring a dynamic and adaptive approach to goaltending. The following pages present an initial diagram of the game plan template. This foundational structure is imparted to all goaltenders within my program, marking the first step in their journey toward individualized excellence in goaltending. Elite goaltenders identify zones and base their plans on these compartmentalized zones. We have zones 1 to 2 to 3 to 2 to 1 to mirror both sides of the ice. Zone defining battlefield. This diagram encapsulates the strategic essence of net zone coverage, meticulously synthesized from the collective wisdom of esteemed hockey strategists. Insert 19. The zones are deliberately denominated and defined with utter simplicity to optimize the utilization of net space. This pragmatic approach empowers decision makers with clarity on positioning, the functional delegation of equipment, and the anticipation of play, enabling them to foresee player actions with unparalleled precision. These insights are part of an exclusive compendium of tactics designed for mastery at the pinnacle of hockey competition, as detailed in my comprehensive work, Game Plan, Building Elite-Level Goaltenders. Together with my preceding publication, these resources represent an unprecedented aggregation of strategies for elite goaltending and game plan execution. A goaltender transcends mere reflexes. It is a cerebral play that unfolds over years of dedicated practice. This intricate game plan distinguishes the adept from the aspirant, shaping consistent triumphs in the rink. With the influx of adept goaltenders emerging through the ranks, the need for swiftly formulated game strategies has never been more pronounced. Nestled within the vibrant hockey community of Vancouver, I have pioneered a program that equips goaltenders with a tailored game plan, sculpted over just 9 sessions. This plan is a tapestry of critical elements: the genetic blueprint of the team, the strategic vision of the head coach, the team's core ethos, and the goaltender's distinct strengths and vulnerabilities. The outcomes have been nothing short of remarkable. Spanning 3 decades, our playbook has been the crucible wherein over 30 goaltenders have been honed for drafts into the NHL, KHL, and the upper echelons of European hockey. Moreover, it has shaped the prowess of over 133 goaltenders across the NCAA, university leagues, major junior, junior A ranks, and national team squads globally. We had a single mission in Vancouver: to architect a game plan that navigates the labyrinth of common scoring scenarios and potential tactical unravelings throughout the season. Crafting a detailed game plan within 9 sessions is an art that demands acute attention to detail. Paramount to this process is the synergy between the goaltender and goalie coach, a melding of minds that ensures the game plan resonates with the goaltender's style and dovetails with the team's strategic imperatives. The blueprint of the game plan is etched from a meticulous analysis of the goaltender's repertoire and the team's collective rhythm. It may manifest in tailored drills sharpening the goaltender's acumen or strategic gambits that leverage their innate strengths. The ability to distill a personalized game plan from a limited number of sessions is a testament to the clients I serve, who are often new to the NCAA/CHL or NHL. These goaltenders are designed with a customized game plan purposefully tailored to match the needs of the head coach and the organization's theme, as well as the opposing teams and the taming of the consistency monster. Cutting-edge methodologies and fostering a cohesive alliance between goaltenders and their coaches, these game plans are instrumental in elevating the caliber of burgeoning talent and steering them toward glory on the ice. With immense pride and a profound sense of privilege, I have written this playbook, a beacon guiding goaltenders from their early beginnings to the grand stage of college and professional hockey. In formulating a strategic game plan for goaltenders, it is imperative to conceptualize the ice as a segmented battlefield, where command over one's depth and positioning is greatly enhanced. Mastery over this domain is achieved through the relentless practice of pre- and post-save responses, transforming reactions into automatic reflexes. The goaltender must adopt precise timing mechanisms to facilitate seamless transitions across zones and between various stances, such as RVH and VH. This coordination must be meticulously synchronized with the defensive strategy, ensuring harmonious execution of the head coach's overarching vision. Efficiency is the linchpin of depth, positioning, and movement management. Goaltenders need to practice agile skating, both in their skates and on their pads, to navigate the field of play adeptly. The objective is to align one's movements with the coach's tactical plan, using the game's inherent flow and the opponent's predictable plays to one's advantage. Establishing the right timing mechanisms is crucial for trapping and preparing to counteract the adversary's offenses.